The Speaker informed Parliament yesterday that the Anti-Terrorism Bill has been removed from the order paper of Parliament. I would like to inform Parliament that the said bill is no longer on the order paper of Parliament, and the Anti-Terrorism Bill was not presented to Parliament for the first reading in accordance with Standing Order 50/1. However, the petitioners challenging the bill in the Supreme Court sought a decision from the Supreme Court regarding the placing of the bill on the order paper for the first time and the opportunity given to challenge the bill in the Supreme Court. The petitioners pointed out that if the Supreme Court does not decide on this matter, there is a possibility that Parliament would pass the bill, having considered that the bill had already been placed on the order paper for the first time. Meanwhile, the Attorney General had informed the Supreme Court that the General Secretary of Parliament had confirmed that the Anti-Terrorism Bill is not on the order paper of Parliament. However, the petitioners pointed out that against a backdrop where the Speaker has been informed of the petition, they would be seeking a decision from the Supreme Court that the bill is not on the order paper of Parliament. President's Counsel Nigel Hatch pointed out that the Supreme Court had the jurisdiction to interpret it from the point that the bill was placed on the order paper of Parliament. The President's Counsel pointed out that there are constitutional provisions stating that any bill placed on the order paper of Parliament must be challenged before the Supreme Court within 14 days of it being placed on the order paper of Parliament. He stressed on the need for the Supreme Court to issue a judgment on whether or not the bill has been placed on the order paper of Parliament. After considering the submissions made, the three-judge bench comprising of Chief Justice Jayantha Jayasuriya and Justices Murthu Fernando and Janak de Silva decided that the bill has not been placed on the order paper of Parliament. Thereby, the Supreme Court held that they do not have jurisdiction to inquire into the bill. The Minister of Justice made a statement regarding this in Parliament today. We had included two bills on the order paper. One was the Online Safety Bill and the other was the Anti-Terrorism Bill. We don't usually present two bills that would be challenged before the Supreme Court because the issues of the general public who are coming to the Supreme Court seeking justice should also be resolved. That is the reason why I delayed this. The 14-day period to challenge the bill begins after the first reading in Parliament, but it is considered to have been included in the order paper of Parliament on the day that it is